Now, you get out of here. I'm warning you. You bastards can't push us around. You want to fight? I'll take you on.
That nigga's twisted. Stop playing with that clip, man. Close them fucking blinds, too, man. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Dabba, man, get out of the stove, man. Get away from the stove, nigga. Stop playing, man. Fuck is you talking about? I'm in the crib watching Larry King live. The new Gucci's on the refrigerator. Smoking some kush, this nigga's a lot of Swisher. Becoming a roach, go get the glass ashtray. Pour the glass of crew, tap the bottle and toast. Barbie took a sip of the cause. Yeah, my son, soon to be 3. Tried to fill his bottle and run. Then I got a collect call. Heard niggas down the block is fighting. Some nigga got knifed up brawling. Heard the kid was 19, little infinity too. His father worked up at the dealer, he loved who. They tried him for his Louis. Son wasn't having it though. Yeah, my nigga, the color of glue. Decided I'ma intervene. Guess who tried to wow on me, my nigga? This was like out of the blue. I'm in the rain strap, jumped out, tucked the chain, proceeded to talk to him. Then you heard the heavy face slap. Think I broke my wrist. Now I'm at the hospital vexed. Fucked up my right hand, that's my check. Now I wanna kill this little nigga true. Only thing stopping my gun flaming, cause he related to you.
Oh, he ain't related to me, just that I knew him for like 18 years until we violated, stealing my gear. My little homie, yo, he eat anything for me. Send him uptown, he get bad, yo, he never call me. Come home and still blow cats for me. Pump crack, stabbing all them hood rat shorties. A live gunslinger, well known, born to dance when the heat is on. Stapleton Day shot himself in the groin, the gun went off. It looked like a flick when he fell to the floor, holding his nuts, screaming, goddamn it, shit, I put one in my balls. What the fuck y'all looking at me for? Call the police, do something. Motherfuckers standing around, watch when I get better. All hell's gonna be terror. Death to you. He pointed at red, I said chill, let's fam do. He put real work in that, make you cute. Fuck that, but anyway, son of thief. He stole 2 polo rugby, swore to his dead mother. I couldn't take it, yo Lord, I knocked out his teeth. Now he's rocking those false joints like everything's peace.
Capital city combines the chic with the freak, the old guard with the avant-garde. So let's go upper deck with a couple of my good friends and run away with the rich and famous.
Hey yo, Pyrex vision, gangster intermission, snow fishing, over the stove, frozen glisten. Wall unit 360 spin, see the digital gem. There's the watch rack right near the brims. Refrigerator see-through, walls got a different type texture. Peeked out the sectional true. Vodka mugs, ace of spade rugs, Louis cups and candles. Beeline forks, gold Kangos to travel over here, priceless lights. Tub full of ice, granddaddy pine cones, leather bikes. Gear junkie monkey, Tim's blunt meat. Yeah, I'm kinda sloppy, my maids they be coming in monthly. Silk towel, red leathers, green hats, mean sweater jeans. You should let us be your stylist, get you better. Octagon mirrors, boxes, sneakers, Louis Gooch, Nike Clark, ABI, bought in Peru. Yeah, plasma toilet, go gadget stuff. If I gotta squeeze, running out of time, it's automatic button right here. Blow the house down, I'm walking slow in my fire jumper. Tom Ford and Bloomberg got 2. Polo drawers, gold plaques, your door. Cover girl scent, tap it in the toilet.
California estate for $100 million, making it one of the most expensive single-family property transactions in U.S. history.
Yo, I welcome y'all in my crib, the fortress of our self-lord and master. Crystal chandeliers looking like satellite dishes from NASA. Yeah, you niggas is bugged. Shoes forbidden in the crib, especially on my Alaskan polar bear rugs. Pictures with Billies and parties out in the Ibiza living room, floor lace with imported marble from Indonesia. High ceilings, 18th century paintings is basic, with letters of money, many casinos in the basement. And I know you let away a nigga parlay with money that wrinkle your face up like a Sharpay. Limited box of cigars from Diplomats and Cubana. Rare art of Basquiat feeding fruit to Madonna. Copacabana, I'ma celebrate till they respect her. Success story with trucks unloading imperial nectar. So many whips I built a valet. $100,000 drapes dancing and swinging like a ballet. I showed you all enough to where this shit's a hassle. I'm sorry your time is up, niggas. Now get up out my castle.
son, I had crazy vision. Check it out, boom. Just imagine if you buy, check it out. Just imagine you bought navy blue, right? A navy blue pair, right? Boom, of this shit, you know what I'm saying? But Doc, get this Doc cream on top. Just imagine that color, like, but you got it different like it's flying. Yeah. Yeah. Chef, nigga. Yeah, I like that. I like that right there. Talk to him, nigga. Let's go, nigga. Come on. Yeah. Y'all know who told niggas that, right? That's right, they're incomparable, man. Yeah, for real, man. Check the jury set, mixed with Perry on champagne collection. Wine rack, 18 karat, check the desk. Press that button right there, grab a Bex. Legendary alive, silks on front and live. Still the flies, black Gotti, seats violet. Woo pirate, boo pilot. Check the nigga drive out. Realer shit, stay with me. Keep it real, dealerships, they dig me. Dungaree, bling, monster king. Walk through the joint, get praised like Ja, roll a weed. Leathers and all flavors. Taught niggas how to get fly and flip spaceships. Rock mad diamonds and strive, see the bracelet. Ask ghosts where the eagle come from, don't say shit. Caesars, no skeezers. I can get you barred from Europe, no visas. Take a little piece of your world, change your season. Put a fresh tech to your face, now squeeze this. Peace to my nigga 40, 60 of us keep it a buck, it's real, call me. Feline suits day one, just a shorty. Eat skirt steaks with snakes, Gore-Teezies. Yes, Gore-Tex, text, my niggas shoot up the complex. Race so complex, that's right, it's so gracious when the dawn flex. He bout checks, feeding his seeds and family. Swiss accounts living in Whistler with the good stuff. Sit back and rope, 20 years later a goat now. Capricorn killer on the float. Night trips while niggas is asleep. I live in the pillage where niggas cook coke up all week. But that's not my lingo, ain't bumping no heads like Ocho Cinco. Rather be in Santa Domingo on the beach. Newspaper cooling with a few shakers. Barbecue wings with a few neighbors. Hunting gear, trying to shoot gators. Yeah, and put them on and chop up a few blazes. Back to the culture, luxury things that's leaning. Me and my team gon' stay fiending. F-I-L-A coming, y'all, we cleaning. Now what's the meaning? Remember this.
Everything around me freeze. The money, dollar bill,
Good afternoon, Mr. Raekwon. Hope you had a pleasant flight. May I take your bags and pour you some scotch, sir? Our villa off the shores of Argentina provides the most luxurious features on this part of the coast, and your financial background is suitable for it. Oh no, the guns are going off in celebration of your arrival, my friend. You're a god in this city. They look up to you.
What up, son? Maintaining, you know? You good, right? Everything proper still, right? Come on, man. What's the matter with you, man? Ain't nothing. Just want us to be on.
Tell a friend, it's that symbol again, that W coming through. Bust a shot on your block, give me a suit, get it right. All my chicks hold your tits, let's get it in. All my niggas take a toke off this weed, let it begin. Here we go. Yo, y'all already know what it do. Brand new nigga back from the slums, it be the woo. Throw your W's up. Back from the slums, it be the woo.
Love to dress a lab, big rock, 100 bags, black do-rags, ski masks on G-Wags. Don't try to take pictures, lax, still in the grass. You'll learn respect, first when I ask. Rhyme master busy on the subject. Love deck, thug battle, drug vest. Snub sets, iller than most. Nighttime totes, gorillas in boats, 3 votes. Villas is killer, gangsters flip notes. Hibernation, yo, switch up. Lava nation, fly formation. Vivid vacation, deliberation moments. Move like 91 Romans, cloning everything. Gents only, the rent's on the stove, I'm in Rome. Maxed out, annex style, my team grand bandits. Make a move and get blown off the planet, baby, hold like cannon. Just understand we got the whole shit padlocked down, my niggas won't
Tell
have
a friend, it's that symbol again, that W coming through. Bust a shot on your block, give me a suit, get it right. All my chicks hold your tits, let's get it in. All my niggas take a toke off this weed, let it begin. Here we go. Yo, y'all already know what it do. Brand new nigga back from the slums, it be the woo. Throw your W's up. from the slums, it be the woo.
Hey yo, jumping out of Benz wagons. My family live in the hill. They call us Ben Latins. Laughing, turbaned up, faggot niggas get murdered up. These streets is like radio beat, so watch how the kid turn it up. Bulletproof tucks, knuckle games is clobbering busters. 18 niggas is bringing the ruckus. Flamethrowers on our backs and shoulders. The rusty joints still work. The tray A to blow one of your doses. When it's mad heat, a mad calm. Walk around, go collect 36 over 4G bomb. My inner strength flowing, I master Chi Kong. Y'all planning of the apes standing next to King Kong. Forensic foul, ultraviolet hype, sky blue bows. Laying niggas like ceramic towel. I'm like Earl like a beastin' at the top of the pile. Kneeing niggas in the nuts, nigga, damn I'm foul.
We blow money, got game, hungry, we pop things, look for me. Grams in my pocket, chef, cook for me. Blue magic bundles, I'm dope, but on the humble, I'm a good dude. Don't shortchange me, see that's a hood rule. Beer drinking, Cuban Lincoln, new way of thinking got me thinking, man. Break the handcuffs, run out the prison, this is hard body, hard knocks. If you pushing that hard rock, then let these niggas know off top.